To find the network ID or broadcast, you first need to know this: which bits belong to the network and which to the host. In a /24, the first 24 bits are for the network and the last 8 bits are the host. As the CIDR number increases, you take more bits for the network and fewer remain for hosts. To find the network ID, you just turn all host bits to 0. To get the broadcast address, you just set all host bits to 1. The usable host range is everything in between. You skip the network and broadcast. To wrap up, the network ID always marks the start, the broadcast address marks the end, everything in between. That's your usable range. If you can spot those 3, you truly understand subnetting at the address level. Now that you can read a subnet, next up, we'll show you how to actually create your own subnets by dividing larger networks. That's what the next episode is all about. If this helped you, give it a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to check out the next episode. Thanks for watching.